jumping the fuck in. Okay. The Supreme Court upholds California ban on flavored tobacco. I've talked about this one before. Now, I will say I don't smoke tobacco. I think nicotine in tobacco is gross. I think cigarettes are gross. I'm just anti. But we have flavored coffee. We have soda, which is flavored water, essentially. It's just, water with a bunch of corn syrup in it. So, my opinion, if we have flavored coffee, flavored sodas, there should be flavored tobacco products. That's just my opinion. But anyway, let's read. The Supreme Court on Monday rejected a bid from the tobacco industry to block a California ban on flavored tobacco products. The ban, or Prop 31, was overwhelmingly approved by voters in November and will prohibit the sale of most flavored tobacco products, including menthol cigarettes. So this is one of those things where it's like oftentimes you have ballot proposals or propositions, and at some states it's proposal, some states it's proposition. I don't, whatever. But anyway, and then like the voters will choose something, and then whatever industry that affects will try to like overturn it. Most of the time they win. So this is a surprising thing that the Supreme Court is siding on with democracy rather than big business. Now again, I don't like cigarettes. I think cigarettes are garbage. I think as far as drugs go, cigarettes are pretty bad. It's if you smoke cigarettes and that's like your drug of choice, I'm gonna be honest, you're a little bit of a loser. And I don't say that, if you're addicted or whatever and you want to quit, that's one thing. Just do it already. It's a Max the dog appearance. Check this shit out. Holy hell. It's Max the goddamn dog. Do you think Max the dog smokes cigarettes? Max, do you smoke cigarettes? I don't think he does. Anyway, yeah, like drugs are just like the loser, or cigarettes are just the loser's drug. You know what I mean? Now again, I don't think that you should be banned from having your drug, right? I say if we're gonna ban cigarettes because they're flavored, I say let's ban soda. I mean, it's just fair. It's just fair. Ban soda. Like, because let's be honest, right? Soda, now all the things, how they say all these bullshit, like, oh, the flavored Juul pods are going to get kids into smoking. You don't think these, like, bright berry blue and, like, fucking bright green and bright red fucking goddamn, like, 12-ounce sodas are getting kids hooked on drugs? You know what I mean? Like, oh no, the cotton candy Juul pod is gonna fuck people up. Oh Lord, no, don't think of the children. We can't have that. Yet, Fanta is allowed to sell like yellow products, green products, orange products. Hey, I'm just saying. Right, so obviously my opinion is we don't ban anything. But the law was first passed 2 years ago, but tobacco companies successfully funded a campaign to block its implementation and put the issue on the year's statewide ballot. Justices, however, upheld the ban without explanation or any public dissent. R.J. Reynolds, which sells Newport menthol cigarettes, argued the ban contradicts the Tobacco Control Act of 2009, a federal law that prohibits states from blocking the sale of tobacco products. Now, again, the tobacco industry, my opinion, again, garbage. They're garbage, right? They're garbage. So I'm not siding at all with these businesses, right, in any capacity. Like, I'm glad they got fucked. But I'm just saying the impetus to ban things because it's flavored is just dumb. It's just dumb, right? It's some low IQ shit. And then it also, like, again, it's like we're feeding drugs to kids every day. It's called juice. It's called juice boxes. You know the juice box industry? The juice boxes advertise to adults. The cereal industry? Do cereal companies advertise to adults? No. They advertise to kids. And that's illegal? But someone having a menthol cigarette is, that's, it's just too much. Anyway, I wanted to talk about drugs, so That's why I talked about this. It's a complicated issue because I would agree with the voters, but in this case, the voters voted for something stupid. But also, I don't want to side with big business. So I mean, I'm not weighing in on the case or anything. I'm just saying. That's my opinion on the whole subject. But anyway, I say ban juice boxes, ban soda, ban Fanta products specifically because they got all that colored ass soda, the blues, the reds, the orange, the fucking greens, the fucking yellows. They got everything. I say ban Fanta, ban the Coca-Cola. I'm just saying we got to be consistent because you don't ban cereal, ban Frosted Flakes, ban Kellogg's, right? Ban that. Just ban it all. Because otherwise kids are going to get addicted to drugs. And if that's what we're pretending to be concerned about, right, then I'm all in. Let's protect the kids. Let's ban cereal, ban juice boxes. Let's ban yogurt, flavored yogurt. Let's ban it all because otherwise the kids are going to get addicted to drugs. So we got to think of the kids here. But anyway, there you go.